How do I know when it's a good time to buy a house? Well, that's a really good question and one I have a really good answer for, so stick around. Hey guys, Kathy Salmon here from Easy Home Search Real Estate, and today I'm going to tell you what you need to consider before you even think about buying a house. But first, please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of these informational videos, and feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be sure to respond. Deciding when to buy a house is a huge decision and one that you really need to think seriously about. So if you're still struggling and you're not sure, ask yourself these questions. First, are you ready financially? Do you have a steady income, good credit, enough of a savings for a down payment and closing costs, and of course, the ongoing expenses of things like property taxes and maintenance? Can you afford the monthly mortgage payments and other house-related expenses like utilities, insurance, repairs, or renovations that need to be done? Take a look. See what's going on in your real estate market. Why? Because knowing your market can really help you make an informed decision about whether it's a good time for you to buy or not. In general, it's a good time to buy when you feel financially and personally ready. It's important that you make sure that you can afford the cost and that your buying a home goes along with your long-term goals. Now, if after answering all these you say, yes, I'm ready, but I'm still nervous, here are some advantages if you were to buy now and not wait till next year. First, you'll have 1 year of equity in the home. Right now in most markets, there's less competition. In most cases, you'll get the terms that you want, almost guaranteed some level of concessions. You could possibly get the house at a lower price, and you're not having to waive an appraisal or an inspection. Guys, the decision to buy a house is a personal one that depends on your own personal circumstances and goals. It's important to weigh the pros and the cons very carefully. Talk to your lender or a real estate professional. They can really help guide you and help you make the best decision for your particular set of circumstances. I want to thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found it informative. And take a look at the next 2 videos that I suggested. They may help you on your journey to buying a home. Thank you.